the Antelope's Style Show. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an adorable little story for you from the heart of the Savannah. Picture this. A big fashion show is coming to town, and all the antelopes are super excited to show off their amazing fur patterns. But, wait, there's a hiccup in our fashion adventure. Enter Percy, the vain peacock, who thinks he's the brightest star in the sky. With his shiny feathers and flashy attitude, he's about to stir up some trouble. So, our antelope pals get together to brainstorm for the fashion show. They start showcasing their unique fur patterns, each one more vibrant than the last. As they admire each other's beauty, they also share a little worry about Percy. You know how some folks just can't handle it when others shine? Percy's been strutting around, stealing the spotlight, and it's about time someone gave him a run for his money. The antelopes hatch a plan they'll create the wildest, most outrageous designs ever to outshine Percy. They're ready to put their heads together and get creative. The creative process. The antelopes gather in a big circle, bouncing ideas off each other like they're at a brainstorming party. One antelope suggests using leaves for a super stylish dress. Another chimes in, "How about mud for some extra texture?" It's like a DIY dream come true. Then inspiration strikes when one antelope finds a cute shoe left behind by a human. This could make the perfect accessory, they say, and the others cheer in agreement. Can you imagine a fabulous antelope in a human shoe? Hilarious, right? The teamwork is contagious, and soon they're all collecting materials from around the savannah. Laughter fills the air, and their creative juices are flowing like a river. Each antelope's unique personality shines through as they mix and match ideas, determined to create an unforgettable fashion experience. Fast forward to showtime. The antelopes are all prepped and ready, and the stage is set. The excitement is in the air as they prepare to strut their stuff. Enter Percy, and let me tell you, he's looking all proud in his overly flashy outfit, thinking he owns the stage. But the antelopes? They come in with their creative outfits, and wow, do they steal the show. One by one, they strut down the runway. And let me tell you, the outfits are outrageous. One antelope flaunts a dress made entirely of leaves that sway as she walks. Another rocks a mud-caked look that's both bold and daring. And just wait until you see the one in the human shoe. The audience bursts into laughter and cheers. Who knew antelopes could bring such style and flair? As Percy tries to pull off a dramatic move to overshadow them, you can see the tension build. He opens his wings wide, thinking that'll impress everyone. Spoiler alert, it doesn't go as planned. So, right when Percy thinks he's about to steal the show, he ends up stumbling and tripping. The antelope, sensing the moment, unite and pull off a jaw-dropping finale together. Their collaboration shines even brighter than before, proving that teamwork truly makes the dream work. That's when Percy realizes that it's not all about being in the spotlight. Sometimes it's about lifting others up too. And there you have it, folks. The fashion show turns into a celebration of creativity and humility, leaving Percy with a valuable lesson. Until next time.